Welcome to the Carolinas College of Health Sciences tutorial on how to create a MyAHEC account and how to access the AHEC Digital Library. MyAHEC is an online service of the North Carolina Area Health Education Centers, or NCAHEC program, providing personalized services and resources to North Carolina's healthcare professionals. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so that you can get started on any research assignments you may have. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to southpiedmontahec.org and click Create Account. When filling out the Create Account form, use your Carolinas College student email address here. Fill out the Create Account form. If you are outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, use the zip code for Carolinas College, which is 28204. Passwords must contain the following: an uppercase character, a lowercase character, a number, and a special character. Keep this password handy. You're going to need it in a few steps. This will take you to the MyAHEC account dashboard. From here, click Request Access to the AHEC Digital Library. This form will help us determine the type of library access you have available to you. So please fill out the form in the following way. Under the type of access requested, pull-down menu, choose Affiliate. Under Work Organization, type Carolinas College of Health Sciences, even if you're already an Atrium Advocate Health employee. Under Work Email, type your Carolinas College email, even if you're already an Atrium Advocate Health employee. Now click Submit. There are a few more steps, so don't close your browser just yet. Once your information has been saved, click the back button on your browser, and then click Sign Out in the upper right corner black menu bar. And yes, this part is important. Just trust me on this. You will automatically receive a 30-day trial to our core collection. It may take up to 30 days for your full access to be validated. However, you will have access to CINAHL right away, which is what you will use for most of your assignments. Now that you have a MyAHEC account, navigate to library.ncahec.net. Normally, this is where you could do a quick search by entering your keywords into the search box, but let's just skip that step for now. Go ahead and just click the search button to continue. This is the sign-in screen for everyone who has access to the AHEC Digital Library. Since you are a Carolinas College student, you will choose the MyAHEC login here. This is where you sign in using your MyAHEC email and password. If you used your student email to create your account the way we suggested earlier in the video, this is what you would use. Click Sign In. Don't worry, you're almost there. Just one more question to help us determine your access. If you are a Carolinas College student, choose Atrium, Maine as your institution. That's it. You're in. Feel free to search or browse our resources. If you need help on how to do a basic or advanced search, we also have a tutorial for you. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions, be sure to visit the AHEC Digital Library at library.ncahec.net and click on the Need Assistance link. Thanks for watching.